back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halara haul. I'm super excited to dive into these, and I want to say thank you for coming and hanging out with me, and thank you to Halara for sending me these pieces and continuing to work with me. It means the absolute world, and that means that I do have a code to save you some money, so definitely use that next time you are shopping to save yourself a good deal. And if you want any of these pieces, everything will be linked down below with my sizing, the color I got it in, and the link. So let's dive into what we got.
Okay, so kicking it off with 3 pairs of jeans that for some reason I lost the audio footage for, but these are amazing. So these are kind of a cargo style jean. They're super stretchy and have an elastic waistband, so they're very comfortable. All of the pockets are real, so there is a ton of storage for whatever you need. They're super stretchy and squat resistant, which is awesome. Plus, I love that these are a great length. They're super comfortable, and I feel like you could wear them just about anywhere, which is great. Next up, we have these. These have a button fly and a zipper, which is great too. So they look like real jeans, and I love the style of these. They're very like mom jeans meets trendy. I don't know, but I really like them. Again, super stretchy, lots of movement and room for whatever the day takes on. I feel like you can dance around. They are great. Super stretchy, just in general, the material of these is amazing. And then the back is really flattering. They don't fit my back super well just because I have kind of an odd body shape, but I love how they look and I love how they feel. And again, they are squat resistant too, which we love. So, big fan of these, and I just think they're going to be so fun to style. I feel like these are going to be great for the spring, especially. Okay, last up we have these. Again, another button fly and zipper. Real pockets, but they are super stretchy still, and the style of these is awesome. I really love the shape. There's so much room in these, and I just love how comfortable they are. These are so much fun. They are definitely a wide leg jean, and I feel like these are so trendy, and I just absolutely love them. The wash is really beautiful. I feel like you can wear this a ton of different ways, and these pockets are perfectly on the back so that it's very flattering for the booty. Yet again, stretchy and squat resistant, and I feel like you can just style these in a ton of different ways. They're really breathable, and I feel like you can just have a lot of fun with them, and you still look really good. So if you work in an office where jeans are appropriate, I feel like these would be perfect because they're great sit-down jeans, and they just look really good.
We have an outfit that I would not wear together just because of the colors, but I wanted to show them off because I like both pieces. So first we have this top that is so soft. It's a cowl neck, so it's super cozy. And then it is a halter in the back. I really like this. This is so comfortable, and I can totally see myself wearing this a ton, and I just really like it. It is tight, but it's not unbearable, and it does slim down, which is great. So you can totally tuck this in to jeans or a little skirt, and I just really like it. Then we have these pants, and these are definitely a trouser looking pant, but they're definitely not. They are stretchy and cozy. These are in a navy, and they are so cute. I love them. First of all, they're like the perfect length for me. I love them. I feel like I could wear them with heels. I could wear them with flats, and they're just great. Pockets are really nice. The fabric on the inside of the pockets is really soft too, and whatever is on the inside of this pair of pants, the back of this material, is really soft, which I really appreciate because I feel like trousers can just get kind of itchy. So I like these. I feel like they're very flattering. They give me some nice curves in hips, and I really like this navy. It's not too like cobalt blue navy. It's a true like navy seal navy, which I really like. So these are awesome. Two really great places. Next up, we have these jeans, and these are amazing. They're super flare, as you can see, and I love them. They're very like bell-bottom 70s, and they're so cute. I feel like these are a really flattering cut because they give you some nice bootage and make your legs look super long. I also think it's really cute with this shirt. So this is a cute little outfit. These do have real pockets in the front and in the back, which is great. And then they don't have a buckle, they have a cross band. So they're super comfortable. These are nice and thick, so they definitely give you a little bit of compression and kind of keep everything stuck together, but they're not uncomfortable. I also do think these would be really good in colder climates because they're decently warm. So out here in California, these are going to be in my closet for a couple more weeks because it is hot out here, but I really, really like these. So these are a big win. I got these in a medium wash, and I do have them in a light wash as well. I wear the light wash ones a ton, and I really, really like them, and I get tons of compliments on them. So I decided it would be good to get them in a medium wash as we go into the fall, and I'm really glad I did because I like them a lot. Okay, I'm like totally living my 90s mom dreams right now. I feel like my mom would have rocked these in the 90s. Look how cute they are. They're super big, baggy jeans, and I love them. They look really put together for being so wide, and I feel like these are so well done. The other ones are amazing, don't get me wrong, but these are my favorite for sure. I love how they feel, and I love this wash. I was kind of worried that they wouldn't be flattering on me, but I kind of love them, especially with this top. I feel like it's super cute. They do have real pockets in the front and in the back. And then these are actually more of like a maternity kind of waistband. That's like the only thing that I've ever seen with this waistband. So it keeps you like super slimmed, but it's not compressive to the point where it's uncomfortable. So I really like that. You can totally hide the fact that it doesn't have a button, which is great. So no one needs to know that these are not real jeans. They're so soft and comfy. I honestly don't feel like I'm wearing jeans at all. I feel like I'm wearing some sweatpants. These are amazing. Yet again, I will say they probably are gonna be a little bit warm, but honestly, I just don't wear jeans right now because it's so hot. So I'm excited for when it's colder because I will be rocking these all the time because I love them. They're so fun. And I feel like you could do a lot with these, so that is exciting. They're gonna be a nice versatile pair of jeans for me. Next up, we have this sports bra. I still just have the same pair of jeans on. I have this sports bra in a purple and a green, and it is my favorite sports bra. So I decided to pick it up in white. It's super, super soft. And I love the cross in the back. I feel like it's so pretty. It's so supportive too. And I love this ruching. I feel like it's very flattering. Material is amazing, price is amazing, and I just really like it, so I wanted to have it in another color. This is very booby. Probably could have stood to size up just for the bra area. This material is so soft, and I feel like it moves super well. So this is a very fun like bachelorette dress, or even like a reception or after party dress. It's really comfortable. The back is a like faux lace up. Oh no. The back is a real lace up, which is awesome. I probably could stand to tighten that. I didn't realize it was real. And then the front is just beautiful. All of this top area here is this same material, but the inside is super soft and comfortable. And I just really, really like it. I love these like tiered kind of ruffly looks. So there's the first one that's kind of short. There's the second one. And then there is a lining, so it's not see-through. And these do have removable pads as well. So I really like this. I think this is super, super fun. I feel like very Marilyn Monroe-esque right now, which I'm totally here for. The last thing that I have is this jacket, and I love wearing athletic jackets in the fall. It's like my favorite thing to wear, especially when I'm walking Kona in the morning. So I wanted to get a new one, and I thought this one was awesome. I am already impressed by it. So obviously wouldn't wear it with this dress, but just so you can see, it is on the see-through side, which I knew going into it because it's white and it is on the thinner side, but I really like that for this kind of jacket, especially because I'm in California. It's still hot here, y'all. So I'm glad that I can still use this. It does have 2 zipper pockets right here. And then on the back, it is just empty. And I actually like having the pockets here because I feel like when they're in the back, I forget about it. And then I put dog treats in them. And when they go through the wash, that's not good. So I'm happy that they're in the front so I won't forget. And then they do have thumb holes, which I love. It's a super nice ribbed material that's so soft, and I feel like it is super slimming and flattering. Your girl can't talk. And I just really like it. I feel like this is definitely something I'm gonna want in other colors. So big fan of this. I'd say this is a really big success. I think my favorite things are definitely the black top and those wide leg barrel-ish jeans. I think they're so cute. Let me know what you think down below, and if you're interested in any of these, the links will be down below and the code will be here so you can save yourself some money. Thank you again to Halara for sending me these pieces, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate you being here, and I hope you stick around and subscribe. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.